Welcome, my most awesome Money Mouth students. This week, we're going to continue our journey on grocery shopping and different kinds of things that you can get in the grocery store. Today, we're going to talk about cleaners. And so, I'm just going to talk a little bit about cleaners from my perspective. Your parents or guardians may have a reason why they buy certain things, why you might like certain things. So I'm going to give it a try just to give you a little perspective of the different things that we have. So the first thing we're going to talk about is dish detergent. Dish detergent. So this is what we hand wash our dishes with. So most people, even if they have a dishwasher, have some kind of dish detergent. So this is dish detergent. Now, compared to dishwasher detergent. So the simplest and cheapest dishwasher detergent comes usually in a box, and it is granular. So you can hear it kind of shakes. So it's not a liquid, it's a solid, but it's little grains. So that's this one. And then the next most expensive is, I'm doing a good job upside down, is the dishwasher detergent that is liquid. So these are very, very toxic, so they have to have the special lid on them. And so this is going to be a liquid. It is more expensive than the granular or the dry. I prefer this one. To me, it gets the dishes as clean as I need them, and I will pay a little bit more for the convenience of the liquid. The ones I don't have is I don't have the pods. Some people like the pods because they're very easy. You just throw them in. Another thing that comes with dishwashers is something called a rinse agent, and this is something that I use because I find that it does help with my water. So this is another thing that you may find, and you put this in the door. So that is under dishwasher, and you can do the exact same thing with laundry detergent. So the cheapest laundry detergent is granular or dry. One of the issues is that it has to dissolve in the water, so it may not be as nice. The next one is what I use, which is the liquid. Now, one of the things with the liquid is you have the cheaper liquids that maybe are not as good as some of the more expensive ones with stain removers. And the reason they were talking about this, I was looking this up, is that some people have laundry that has significant stains on it. Me as a teacher, and I do a lot of laundry for the gym, I don't need the high-powered laundry detergent. I just need one that works pretty well. So I get what I think is the middle of the road. It's not the cheap of the cheap, but definitely not the most expensive. The last kind is the pods, and again, I don't use the pods. One of the benefits of the pods is it brings different ones in together. Another cleaner that you may not think about is the cleaner for your toilet. And one of the interesting things with the cleaner for the toilet is the design. They call it the duck neck or the gooseneck, because when you do it, you want to have it so that it comes up underneath. So when you squeeze it, up it comes underneath the toilet bowl ring. So this is yet another one of the cleaners that you may have. Another cleaner, again, that comes with different ways. So you have the dry cleaner. So this is the cheapest. Comment, I have some of this. I usually have it on hand for my sinks. Just in case I get a stain or I've accidentally left something. This is a very cheap and easy way to do it. But one of the things is it's very scratchy. It can scratch. It's called abrasive. So although it is very cheap in price, it's not always the nicest one to use. One of the ones that you think you probably use the most is something like this. So an Lysol cleaner. These are the ones that people are going to, it's really hard to find right now. What I didn't bring was the wipes because I'm actually out of wipes. So they are very fast and they use the cleaner, but they're very quick because they actually have the cloth already with it. And right now in COVID-19 times, it's very hard to find. The last thing I want to talk about is vinegar. So many people are still using things such as we've got vinegar and baking soda, which will actually do some cleaning, but it's not as antibacterial. But if you're doing things quickly and you need to get certain things covered, we use this in the classroom quite a bit. So you can use some of the more natural ways. This is an acidic, it's just not a very strong acid. All right, so that gives you hopefully some context on some of the cleaners that you'll be looking at. So we're back today for some IXL. Yeah, I know you still don't like it, but it's really good for you. So please, 15 minutes of IXL, and then there is a worksheet looking at adding together different kinds of cleaners. And remember that we have our meeting today. And don't forget to tell somebody, may the 4th be with you. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.